Well, from the instructions of Pareñas, I think they're gonna go back to the body at the end of a three-punch combination. Yun eh kung pagbibigyan siya ni Purisima, partner. Purisima has been staying away from Claveras.
Purisima's tactic is to jab and then hold, then grapple. Jab by Purisima, then he dances away. Claveras tries to catch him in the corner.
Alam mo, pag ganito situation,
No.
dapat, sorry,
Purisima won for a low blow now. Good jab.
sabi nga natin, ang power puncher parating lamang yan sa isang laban. And that's exactly what's happening with Claveras. Sa mga dalawa-tatlong
Good
sinusuntok
jab.
ni Purisima, katulad nun, pag bumawi si Claveras, mapapansin ng judge yan. Kasi malakas. So, kailangan magtrabaho ng gusto si Purisima. He has to throw a lot of punches para manigate yung mga power punches na paisa-isa ni Claveras.
Tama. But you know, in the, Mike, yung mga itong hurado, may look at this fight and say, you know, Claveras is not, Purisima is not really fighting.
Yeah,
He's kind of backing off, so we can't, you know, the aggressive fighter normally gets the nod of the judges.
Titignan mo rin yun as a point of view, no? Pero meron rin ron na ano eh, parang expectations ba? Pag kunyari si Claveras, alam mong madaming sumuntok at hindi nakakasuntok, that's where the subjectivity of this
The whole fight.
sport
Yeah, of the sport, tama.
Ang dami mo titignan na angulo.
Purisima with the body shot.
Ganda na. Di lang natuloy. Pitik lang ang binato ni Claveras.
Claveras continuing to move forward. Pushes Purisima back. Itong tempo ng itong laban nito bumaba na yun. Originally it was action-packed, now it's kind of slowing down and tapering off.
Alam mo, gawa yan dalawang low blow na nagpahinga tayong lahat. For a total of about 10 minutes. At saka yun nga, natakot na rin yung dalawang boksero. Si Purisima natakot na dun sa another low blow na baka tamaan siya. Si Claveras natatakot na rin kasi baka nga naman ma-kick out siya dito sa laban ito pag inulit niya.
There goes the bell, end of the round. Dandrik Stapdasan, the third man in the ring, tells the announcers, or rather the fighters, this is the 8th round. He makes an announcement to the two fighters, so they will know where they are. Forget the housing mark.
Alam mo ba't alam niya na 8th round? Nakatingin siya sa round girl.
Good jab. Good right. Oh, smart move by Purisima, getting out of trouble and comes back with the right.
But yun nga, part na sinasabi mo kanina. Yung pag-alis niya, yung weaving and bobbing niya, some judges will look at that and say, you're not fighting. Yeah. So it's the guy who's aggressively initiating contact that they might give the fight to, the round to.
Now he's holding. I think the tactic right now, oh. Low blow. Low blow. Diyos ko po. Another low blow. Low blow. Ah. Ay, nako. What is this, huh?
Okay. Now we gotta... Someone has to step in already.
Stapdasan has to make a decision.
Right. But the first thing he has to do, is it a low blow or is it not? So if it's a low blow, he has to make a very, very, very strong decision at this point.
He's asking him to get up. You cannot force him to get up when he gets caught with a low blow. Come on.
Kailangan magdesisyon si Dan Rex dito.
Yeah.
Kasi pangatlo na no?
Oh,
Pangatlo na to.
Let's go. Come on. Time in. Let's go. Purisima.
Well,
Box.
bakit sabi niya, let's go? He's supposed to be given 5 minutes. Oh,
So that's the question there. Was that a low blow or not? So, well, with the actions of Dan Rex, diba, and the decision made, that wasn't a low blow.
well, if you look at the tape, it's borderline to say the very least.
Well, we can check that later. We have
Yeah.
that luxury. No? But right now, tuloy ang laban. Round number 8. Close to just a minute left.
But yun ang problema sa akin. Dan Rex said it was a low blow.
Right.
Under the rules, you're supposed to give him 5 minutes to
Yes.
recover. But he forced him to get up and fight.
Right.
Bakit naman?
That's right. So if you look at his actions, that means it wasn't a low blow.
But then he called it a low blow.
But then he was on the ground. So what is it? It's a slip?
But he called it a low blow.
Right, right. So we will check that out
Oh.
later.
That is another low blow.
That's a slip.
Yeah, but before that there was a low
Right.
blow.
Come on. Ready. Box.
Lavera's pouring it on. He knows that the being aggressive will give him the advantage here. Last 38 seconds of round number 8. Gumising na lahat, even the fighters. They know they have to do something drastic. Right by
Good
Purisima.
left, good right and a good left by Purisima. He's fighting back. Jab by Purisima. Final 10 seconds. There goes the bell, end of the round. Oh, that's low. Can we see it from another angle?
Well,
Wala ba?
from that angle, let's see, from another angle,
It looked low to me. No, that was not the low blow. Huh?
the first angle would show that it was a low blow. If it's the same one, it's the same one. Hindi rin maliwanag sa slow-mo action, but yun nga it's the decision of the referee. Wala tayong masasabi dyan. No? It is decision.
Totoo naman yun. Totoo. It's the decision of the referee.
But yun na nga, he said it was a low blow, but his actions say otherwise. So,
Bahala na siya.
no, pwede,
Round
natin,
number 9.
pwede natin tanungin mamaya kung ano yung nangyari doon.
Punasan niyo yan. Madulas yan.
Against stalking.
Good flurry of big shots by Claveras.
Break, break. Ikaw humahawak ka. Come on.
Oh!
You know, Claveras just wants to fight. And look at him how he advances against Purisima. Every time Dan Rex calls a break, no? He just moves forward and brings the fight back to Purisima.
Good flurry by Purisima. Oh, and he threw him to the ground. This time it was a throwdown, not a knockdown.
4,
He calling it a knockdown.
6, 7, 8.
Let me see the slow-mo of that. I like to see the
Well,
slow-mo.
Purisima's up
Come on.
as Dan Rex decided to call him as it was a knockdown.
Good uppercut. He's down. That time he's down. It's over. But please show me the slow-mo of the previous knockdown.
I think Purisima was hit too many times in very sensitive places that, you know,
Sapped his energy.
wala, talagang wala na, partner. Mahirapan ka na doon sa nangyari. No? But let's look at that first knockdown.
In this round.
Ah, yeah.
Good left.
There was a left and then another left. And he was already moving forward.
And he kind of threw him down. But that just only...
But there was a punch prior to
yes, of course. Definitely.
that. Good call by Dan Rex. So that's the first knockdown. It was followed by an uppercut. I think this is the, there you go.
That was a big shot.
That was the,
The coup de grace.
yes. There you go.
Ladies and gentlemen, your official time, 1 minute and 24 seconds of round number 9 for your winner by technical knockout, Richard Clavera.
Richard Claveras, winner by technical knockout in round number 9 over Juan Purisima.